Welcome to Vietnam, one of the world's leading dragon fruit producers. Every premium can of dragon fruit juice begins here. Before harvesting begins, every dragon fruit is carefully inspected on the plant. Only fruits with perfect color, size, firmness, and maturity are selected.
The harvest begins with great care. Each fully ripened dragon fruit is cut by hand. Great baskets. Careful handling preserves freshness, ensuring premium quality.
Immediately after harvesting, every dragon fruit is inspected once again, carefully packed into ventilated food-grade crates, accurately weighed, and assigned a traceable batch code. To preserve maximum freshness, harvested dragon fruits are transported in refrigerated trucks under a carefully controlled cold chain directly to the modern beverage factory.
At the factory, every shipment undergoes strict quality inspection. Only premium fruits are approved to continue to the production line. After passing quality inspection, the dragon fruits receive a thorough wash using high-pressure filtered water. Every fruit is gently cleaned to remove dust and field debris while preserving its. After washing, every dragon fruit undergoes food-grade sanitization. Ozonated water reduces microorganisms on the fruit surface. Processing begins after final inspection. Although every dragon fruit has already passed multiple quality checks, a final inspection ensures absolute perfection. Only premium qualities are approved fruits for juice production.
Only carefully selected dragon fruits enter the automatic peeling system. Precision food-grade blades remove the thick outer skin, preserving the maximum amount of fresh fruit flesh. After peeling, every dragon fruit is cut into uniform pieces using precision food-grade slicing equipment. Consistency and ensures a smooth, high-quality juice production process.
The freshly cut dragon fruit enters the industrial pulper, where the fruit is gently processed into smooth, fresh pulp. Careful extraction preserves the fruit's natural color, flavor, and texture.
The fresh dragon fruit pulp now passes through a filtration system. Any remaining peel fragments and coarse fibers are gently removed while the fruits naturally. To create a consistent dragon fruit juice drink, the filtered fruit pulp is blended with purified water and other approved beverage ingredients. Fully automated recipe system. To achieve a smooth, stable texture, the dragon fruit juice drink passes through a high-pressure homogenizer. This process evenly distributes the fruit particles, improving consistency for uniform quality. To ensure food safety, the dragon fruit juice drink is pasteurized. A high-temperature, short-time system eliminates harm. The juice then moves safely to the cooling and filling departing. Immediately after pasteurization, the dragon fruit juice is rapidly cooled under carefully controlled conditions. Nhiệt độ rad aluminalumding a muk hymi hido c. Before filling begins, every aluminum can is thoroughly cleaned, sterile rinsed, dried with HEPA-filtered air, and inspected by advanced vision systems. At the same time,
the sterilized cans now enter the aseptic filling machine. Each can is filled with a precisely measured volume of dragon fruit juice under strictly controlled hygienic conditions.
Immediately after filling, every can receives an easy-open aluminum lid and is sealed using a precision double-seaming process. This airtight hermetic seal protects the dragon fruit juice from contamination. Every sealed can undergoes multiple automated quality inspections. Advanced leak testing, X-ray fill level verification, and AI vision systems ensure that each approved can receives a permanent laser-printed production code containing important traceability information. Advanced vision systems immediately verify every code expiry date. After final coating, the dragon fruit juice cans are automatically grouped into retail multi-packs. Shrink films curing storage, protecting the products during protecting the Beinhaith home. Robotic palletizing systems carefully stack the packaged dragon fruit juice into stable export pallets. Each pallet is securely wrapped with stretch film, protecting the product. After packaging, every pallet enters the automated finished goods warehouse. Advanced inventory management systems track each pallet, from production to shipment, while with every quality check complete, the finished dragon fruit juice is loaded for distribution. Advanced warehouse systems verify each shipment, while secure loading procedures.
From the Nawon factory, every shipment enters a carefully managed global logistics network. Advanced tracking systems, secure export procedures, and international shipping ensure that
journey from Vietnam's dragon fruit farms through advanced manufacturing and rigorous quality control logistics. Every refreshing sip reflects the dedication behind